the rewards. I like getting food, chips, and guac on the side sometimes, you know. Look how glossy that is. Oh my goodness. I'm not gonna show y'all the front because y'all don't want to see the front. It's not as pretty as the back. Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with another video. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a what's on my iPhone today. Now, I know these videos are a little outdated, but I like watching them. And if y'all are nosy like I am, then you will enjoy seeing all of my favorite apps. I have the iPhone 8 Plus. I honestly just got it because this is my favorite color, red. Look how glossy that is. Oh my goodness. Look how glossy that is. I'm not gonna show y'all the front because y'all don't want to see the front. It's not as pretty as the back. I am going to be showing you guys my favorite apps, everything that I use on my iPhone. Hold on. So I am going to, let me see. I'm gonna have a little screen of my phone window right here for you. Alright, so the first thing you're gonna see when you open my phone is my wallpaper. I went to the Bahamas last year with my sister and her side of the family, and the boat docked in Miami, Florida, which is really cool. It's my first time in Miami. It's actually my first time out of the country. Exciting. Let me know if you guys want a story time on that because it was really fun, actually. It was super fun. But yeah, I took that picture in the art district of Miami. There was like a little, it was really cool. Comment down below if you guys know what I'm talking about because I can't for the life of me. Like Wynwood Art District, I believe so. I unlocked my phone and we have my two favorite boys. They're not even this small anymore. It's so sad. So I'm not gonna show you guys all the generic basic iPhone apps because we all have those. First folder we have is my photography folder. The first app I have here is Huji. This Huji app is actually really cool. It's supposed to simulate like a disposable camera type thing. It's really cool. I can show you guys some of the effects. I think it's cool at least. Like, look at these. They're so pretty. I don't know. It's cool. And then also in this folder I have PixArt. I don't really use this unless I'm trying to crop my Instagram photos into like a square, or I'll use like the blur effects sometimes. I don't really use it. I don't really edit my photos that much because I'm not that good at it. I don't know how. So next up in my productivity folder, I don't keep the reminders app on my phone because I don't like that app. I don't know how to use it. I don't think it's very useful. I feel like an alarm clock could do the same thing, and it does. So yeah, in this productivity folder I just have my OneNotes for school. This is just in case I like forget my laptop or something. In most of my classes that don't involve my major, accounting, I just use my laptop to take notes. Yeah, in case I forget that. Got all my notes on my phone. This next folder is my finance folder, which is my favorite. Y'all, if y'all didn't watch my intro video, go ahead and go watch it. I talk all about how I'm an accounting major, all about my life. And as an accounting major, I love money. I love it. I just do. I love it. So the first app in here is just the basic iPhone wallet app. I don't use that. I don't have Apple Pay or like the Apple Card or any of that fancy stuff. And then next up I have my banking app. I like banking with them because I don't know, they're the first bank that I've banked with that I haven't had problems with. TCF was one of those banks I had problems with actually. I should probably delete that. Okay, so after my banking app I have Digit. And guys, Digit, if you guys are looking to save money and like really stick to a budget, Digit is a really cool app. So basically you have to link your bank account to it, guys. You have to link your bank account to it. I know it sounds kind of sketchy. I thought it was kind of sketchy at first too, but it's not. It is the real deal. So what they do is you can put in a savings goal for anything you want. Right now I just have a goal for a move that I'm planning to do at the end of the year after I graduate. So I just have that, but I can give you guys an example. You just go here and click savings goal. They ask you what to save for. For the sake of this video, we'll just click on gifts, and then you can set the optional amount. Let's do like 500, and then set the date for like, let's do July 4th. Boom. And then save, and it'll tell you like Digit will try to save around $15 to $25 a day, starting from today until whenever you set that savings goal date too. So yeah, I think it's really cool. You can also like add money in there whenever you want it to, but it just takes the money out of your bank account daily. You can also set a limit in there. So let's say if you have under $100 in your bank account, you can go on the app, be like, hey, if I have under $100, don't take anything. They won't take anything. It's that simple. And then when you're ready to get your money back in your bank account, all you have to do is withdraw. Adding the money, of course, it takes like 2-3 days for your bank account to release the money. But then when you withdraw the money, of course, it's instant, y'all. I love it. There's no fee. It's not like Cash App. You don't have to pay to get your money. But yeah, I like it. And then the rest of the apps in this folder are just like just in case type apps. So like Cash App, Venmo, Zelle. I don't know, some people have their own preference. Some of my friends have Cash App, some of them have Venmo. For some reason my aunt has Google Pay, so I have that for her just in case. Social media. I don't have a lot of social medias, guys. Any social media before my senior year, high school. Lies. Okay, I had a Twitter, only because I begged my mom in like 9th grade. I don't have a Facebook because I just think it's useless. Go follow me on Twitter. Go follow me on Instagram at Taylor_Monet17. And yes, it is Monet and not money, although I do like both. YouTube, Instagram. Instagram is probably my favorite social media app.
Same stuff going on, Candy. It's COVID-18. It's COVID-19. I don't care if it's COVID-50. Why we gotta do it outside? And your cameraman ain't even got no gloves on. Hips TikTok.
Yeah. Instagram is my favorite social media app by far. I do love Twitter as well because people really love to speak their minds on Twitter, y'all. It gets wild on there sometimes. But if you like, here's a little sneak peek of my feed. I don't have a theme, mainly because I'm very indecisive. I would not be able to stick to one. And TubeBuddy and YouTube Studio, these are just to track my YouTube progress. TubeBuddy, I can show you guys. If you go in here, they show you how many subscribers you have, how many views, likes, comments you got on your last videos. They show you your milestones, which is really cool. I'm just starting this YouTube thing, so we'll see where it goes. Next app is my music app. I had this open before I started recording this video, but I do use Apple Music. I don't use Spotify anymore. I did use them in high school. I don't know. There's a switch up. The Apple Music is just more useful for me, I guess. University students do get a student discount. I don't know if you guys know about that, but I'm plugging it in case y'all don't know. I'm trying to save y'all some money. So go look it up if you hadn't heard of it. And then here we have Guitar Tuner. I just use this to tune my guitar. It's really cool. It's very generic. I can't tune by ear, so I use this app and it will tell me if it's right or wrong. Next up, I have my shopping folder. I love to shop, y'all. I can shop till I drop, I swear. So I just have my favorite apps in here. I am an Amazon Prime member, which is why I have the Amazon and Prime Now apps, which are very useful. 2 free day shipping. Prime Now has 2-hour shipping or like same-day shipping. And then my 2 favorite fashion brands right now are Fashion Nova and Pretty Little Thing. Y'all stick around for future videos because I will be doing a Pretty Little Thing review coming soon. This is my school/career folder. I just have like basic school and career apps. LinkedIn, it's like a job search / networking app for professionals, college students, you know. And then Canvas, just an app that I have for my school for all of my classes. Comment down below whether or not your school uses Canvas or Blackboard. My previous school did use Blackboard. I don't know which one I like better. I don't know. I think because Canvas is new, I'm kind of biased. So yeah, and then Duo, that's just the two-factor authentication that we need to log into all of our school accounts. It's very annoying. And then I have Study Blue and LinkedIn Learning. These are just some studying apps. LinkedIn Learning is really cool because I believe this is only for LinkedIn Premium members, so you have to pay for it. But my school gave it to us for free, so I've been checking it out. It's a really cool app for professionals or for anybody who wants to learn new skills. They have like Excel trainings, QuickBooks, Microsoft Office. There's so many different things on here. Customer service training, management training. If you need help with that, I think it's pretty cool. So my travel folder is next. And here I just have all of the basic travel apps. I got my Uber, my Lyft, my maps, because I can't get lost. I will freak out. And then I have this Gas Buddy app, which just shows you guys like the nearest, cheapest gas prices near you. Now these gas prices have been wonderful. So my entertainment app, I just have all of my favorite apps that I like to have on my phone for when I travel. So I have Hulu, Netflix, Prime Video, Disney. The Roku app I just use as like a remote for my Roku. This app is really useful, I think, because I have bad memory. The thing could go missing for a month and I just would not care because I have this app. Then my business folder, which is, I know it looks the same kinda, but it's completely different from my travel folder. These are all my business apps. These apps make me money, y'all, okay? So I have the Dasher app, which is DoorDash. I do these jobs like whenever I just want to make some extra money. Let's say I'm going to a concert this weekend. I don't know, I can make $30 doing like 4 orders or something. The Instacart shopper app, that's just like a grocery delivering service. Uber and Lyft driver. I am signed up for these. I don't really use them though. And then when I work, is my current workplaces management app. My next folder is my food folder. These are no way like my favorite food places, y'all. I just have these for convenience. Chipotle, I do love Chipotle. I like the rewards. I like getting food, chips, and guac on the side. Some Starbucks. I just downloaded this app. Last summer they had these really good tea specials. I can't even remember what they were called, but one of them was like a blueberry black iced tea. I don't even know, but they were all so good, and I'm hoping and praying that they bring them back this summer because wow. And the Caribou Coffee app, I really just have that for smoothies. Oh man, I just have DoorDash whenever I want to order food. And then these next 3 apps here are just some random. I have a workout app that I don't really use. I'm sorry, I tried. And then I have my Canon Camera Connect app for when I need to Bluetooth photos or videos from my camera to either my iPhone or my iPad. Alright guys, so that is it for the end of this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Make sure you comment down below what video can I do next. Do you want to see how I edit my YouTube videos? If you'd like to see how I save money, I am an accounting student. Maybe I can give you guys advice. If you're looking for something, just let me know. Comment down below and I will see you guys next time. Bye! I'm gonna take my phone cover off for this. Okay, so